So now let's talk about Amazon EventBridge. And it used to be called CloudWatch Events. So if online you see CloudWatch Events, think about Amazon EventBridge and vice versa. But EventBridge is the new name. So with EventBridge, you can react to events happening within your AWS accounts. And one use case for them is to schedule cron jobs. So you want to have a script scheduled on a regular basis. For example, in EventBridge, you can create a rule that says that every 1 hour, you should have an event created, and that event will trigger a script running on a Lambda function. Effectively, you've done a serverless cron job. But you can also not just react to events happening every hour, but you can react to a service doing something. For example, say you wanted to give alerts to your security team whenever someone is going to log in using the root user, because, well, the rule is that you should not use the root user or only very rarely. So maybe we want to react to the IAM root user sign-in events and then send this into an SNS topic that is combined with email notifications. In that case, whenever someone signs in, we will receive an email. So you can create a lot of these different integrations, all using Amazon EventBridge. And you can, as the destination, trigger Lambda functions, send SNS and SQS messages, and so on. Actually, you can do all these things. I just wanted to give you a quick example. You don't need to linger on this slide, okay? But the sources can be anything you want. It could be EC2 instances, code build, S3 event, trusted advisor, and so on. There's a lot. And of course, a schedule. It goes into EventBridge. And from EventBridge, you can send and trigger many different kinds of destinations. Would it be for compute, for integration, orchestration, maintenance, and so on. And what I've shown you here is just a little sample. Finally, EventBridge has more capability. So what I've shown you is called the default event bus. And these are events happening from within AWS services or, for example, your schedules. But it is possible for you to receive events from partners of AWS. For example, if you're using Zendesk or Datadog or others that are partner with AWS, then they can send their own events into your account through a partner event bus. And therefore, you can react to events happening outside of AWS as well. And finally, you could plug in your own custom applications that would send their own events into your own custom event bus to write any kind of integration you want and be really able to customize everything. EventBridge also has more capability. There's the schema registry to model the event schema to see what it looks like, the data types, and so on. You can also archive all the events sent to an event bus indefinitely or for a set period. And then you can replay these archived events. But I think that for the Cloud Practitioner exam, you know more than enough. Again, you need to remember conceptually what is Amazon EventBridge, and now I think you do. Okay, that's it for this lecture. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next lecture.